Wait, before you swab, make sure that you don't eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum for at least 30 minutes. Now I'm going to show you how easy and safe it is to collect your sample and send it here to our expert team at Genetics Institute. Open the buccal swab package and carefully remove the collector without touching the sponge tip. Using our sponge tip, we're going to insert it in our mouth and rub along our lower gums about 10 times. Now let's do the other side. Hold the tube upright so that it doesn't spill. Unscrew the blue cap from the collection tube without touching the sponge tip. Turn the cap upside down. Insert it into the tube and screw on the cap tightly. Invert the cap tube 10 times. You're finished! Great work! We're going to pack it up now and send it off to GIA. Thank you for placing your trust and confidence in Genetics Institute of America for your genetic testing. Stay happy, stay healthy, and may God bless you in every way.